Realme has officially confirmed that the Realme Neo 8 will arrive later this month in China. The brand has also offered a first look. The Realme Neo 8 introduces a transparent cyber-inspired rear panel finished in a new cyber purple color. One of the most eye-catching details is the 120x marking near the camera module. The Realme Neo 8 will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, offering 16GB RAM plus 1TB storage. Realme Neo 8 will feature a 6.78-inch OLED panel with a flat design. The LTPS screen will offer a 1.5K resolution and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor, and an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 1Hz to 165Hz. It will feature a 50-megapixel main camera backed by a large sensor, an 8-megapixel secondary wide-angle sensor, a 16-megapixel selfie camera, and over 8,000 mAh silicon carbon battery. With 80W charging support and bypass charging support, the Realme Neo 8 could debut at 2,500 yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.